Fish farming is a booming industry, but beneath the surface, there's a world of secrets that most beginners never hear about. Today, we're diving deep into 10 fish farming secrets nobody tells you. Insider tips that could make all the difference for your aquaculture success. Whether you're dreaming of a backyard pond or planning a commercial setup, these smart strategies from SMART-AGRI Hub will help you avoid common pitfalls and maximize your profits. Let's start with secret number 1. Water quality is everything. While many guides mention water temperature and pH, they rarely stress just how crucial water quality is for healthy fish. It isn't just about keeping things clean. Water chemistry affects fish growth, immunity, and survival rates. For optimal conditions, regularly test ammonia, nitrite, and oxygen levels. Invest in a reliable filtration system, and never underestimate the importance of frequent water changes. Even slight imbalances can lead to disease outbreaks or slow growth, so make water monitoring a daily habit. Moving on to secret number 2. Choose the right species for your location. Not every fish thrives everywhere. Climate, altitude, and water source all play a role in determining which species will flourish. Tilapia, for example, are hardy and grow fast in warm climates but struggle in cooler waters. Catfish can tolerate lower oxygen levels, while trout and salmon need colder, highly oxygenated environments. Consult local experts and research native species to find the best match for your farm. Choosing the right fish can mean the difference between high yields and constant headaches. Secret number 3. Don't overlook feed quality. Feeding fish isn't just about quantity, it's about quality. Cheap feeds may save money up front, but often lead to slower growth, poor health, and lower market value. Look for nutritionally balanced pellets with the right protein, fat, and vitamin content for your species. Consider supplementing with natural feeds like earthworms or insects for added variety. The more nutritious the diet, the faster your fish will grow, and the better they'll taste when harvested. Secret number 4. Biosecurity protects your investment. Disease outbreaks can devastate a fish farm in days. The secret to prevention is strict biosecurity. Limit access to your ponds, disinfect equipment regularly, and quarantine new stock before introducing them to your main tanks. Even birds, rodents, or contaminated water sources can introduce pathogens, so stay vigilant. Training staff in biosecurity protocols and monitoring fish health daily will prevent costly losses and keep your operations sustainable. Secret number 5. Stocking density is a balancing act. Overstocking might seem like a shortcut to higher profits, but it's a recipe for disaster. Crowded ponds lead to poor water quality, increased stress, and higher disease risk. Understocking, meanwhile, wastes space and resources. The key is finding the optimal balance for your chosen species. Start with recommended guidelines and adjust based on growth rates and water test results. Remember, happy fish grow faster and yield better returns. Secret number 6. Seasonal changes matter more than you think. As seasons shift, water temperature, daylight hours, and oxygen levels change too. These fluctuations can impact feeding behavior, growth rates, and spawning cycles. Some fish may require warmer water heaters in winter or shade during scorching summers. Anticipate seasonal shifts with proactive management. Adjust feeding schedules, monitor water quality more frequently, and use aeration systems when necessary. Secret number 7. Smart record keeping is your secret weapon. Many first-time farmers neglect record keeping, but tracking every aspect of your operation leads to smarter decisions. Maintain logs of water parameters, feeding amounts, growth rates, health incidents, and harvest yields. These records reveal patterns over time, helping you tweak your methods and spot problems before they escalate. Plus, detailed documentation is invaluable if you ever seek certification or financing. Secret number 8. Local regulations can make or break your farm. Before you dig your first pond, research local laws. Many regions have strict rules on water usage, waste disposal, stocking densities, and even fish species. Failure to comply can result in fines, shutdowns, or legal battles. Consult your local agricultural extension office or fisheries department for guidance. Building your farm on a solid legal foundation saves headaches down the road and ensures you're contributing responsibly to your community. Secret number 9, value-added products boost your profits. Selling live or whole fish is just the beginning. Savvy farmers create value-added products like fillets, smoked fish, or fish-based snacks. You can also explore aquaponics, using fish waste to grow vegetables, creating 2 revenue streams from one system. Packaging, branding, and direct sales to restaurants or farmers markets can dramatically increase your earnings. Think beyond traditional methods to unlock new potential for your farm. And finally, secret number 10, networking with other farmers accelerates your success. The fish farming community is filled with experienced growers who faced every challenge imaginable. Join local associations, attend workshops, and connect on online forums. Sharing tips, buying supplies in bulk, or even collaborating on marketing campaigns can cut costs and solve problems faster. Don't isolate yourself. Your fellow farmers are your greatest resource. Now that you know these 10 fish farming secrets, let's recap the key takeaways. First, prioritize water quality and biosecurity to keep your fish healthy. Choose species suited to your local climate and invest in high-quality feed for optimal growth. Manage stocking densities carefully and adapt your protocols to seasonal changes. Keep detailed records, stay informed about local regulations, and explore value-added products for higher profits. Most importantly, build relationships with other farmers for ongoing support and innovation. But what about common myths? Let's quickly debunk a few. Some believe fish farming is easy money, but it requires patience, planning, and hard work. Others think you can set up anywhere, but location, water source, and regulatory compliance are critical. And while technology can boost productivity, nothing replaces daily hands-on management and observation. Looking ahead, fish farming continues to evolve. Innovations like automated feeders, solar-powered aerators, and genetic improvements are changing the game. Sustainable practices like integrated multi-trophic systems and eco-friendly feeds are gaining ground as consumers demand ethical seafood. Staying informed and adaptable will keep your farm competitive as the industry grows. If you're ready to start your fish farming journey, remember these secrets and stay curious. Success comes from continuous learning, experimentation, and a commitment to quality. The opportunity is vast, whether you're raising a few fish for your family or scaling up to supply restaurants and supermarkets. With the right approach, you can turn your passion for aquaculture into a thriving, sustainable business. And if you found these tips helpful, don't forget to share your thoughts and questions. The Smart Agri Hub community is here to support your growth every step of the way. Dive in, stay smart, and enjoy the rewards of fish farming done right.